Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on Hey Siri on all iPhone 17 models. So let's get started. So the first one is all about go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on this one. Now from here you can see there is an option called Talk to Siri. Tap on this one. And right now from here you have to change into Hey Siri. Now go for continue, go to continue, even go for continue, and you have to speak these. Hey Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And right now, as you can see, the Siri is ready, and you can just go over here and the Siri is turned on. Hey Siri. Now as you can see, the Siri is getting and is just waiting for my commands, and this is how we can get it. So I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.